Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today I'm going to use the Vortex to make an easy, delicious rotisserie chicken. So are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. So the first thing you want to do is season that bird. I'm going to use the Weber beer can chicken seasoning. You can pick it up at Walmart for about $3.25. It is delicious. A little earthiness to it, has citrus. Man, it makes your chicken just pop! So after you wash your bird and pat it dry, let's drop some seasoning right inside the cavity there. That way while the rotisserie is going, all the juices, all the seasoning gets through all that chicken. Oh, it's so good. Put a liberal amount in there. Next, we want to truss the chicken. Get you some butcher's twine. You can have it at Walmart or your local grocery store. You want to make sure it's 100% cotton. You want to pick up the wings and tuck them underneath. That way the tips don't burn. Then take your twine, put it underneath the chicken legs. Bring it up and make an X. Then come back down and go underneath the chicken legs and pull it tight. Then you want to flip your bird over. Now you're going to come along the joints here and go underneath the tips, and then we're going to tie a knot right underneath the neck bone. Get it nice and tight. Now get some scissors and cut the ends. Boom, you trust your chicken. While we have that bird flipped over, let's add a little olive oil to it. Rub it in. Let's go ahead and put some of that seasoning on. Olive oil helps it stick to the skin. And don't be shy. It's only $3.25 for this big old bottle. Now let's flip that bird back over. Hit it with a little more olive oil. And put some more seasoning on. Next, we're going to put in the rotisserie spit with the forks. You're going to go right in through the back. You get to come out the front there. Go ahead and let it pierce the skin with that fork. As so. You take this side. It'll be a little tricky to line it up right, but you can do it. Push it through. There's a little notch right there. See a little notch right there? Tighten it on there. There we go. Whew, that was a battle. But you know what? This is my first rotisserie chicken. I think I'm doing pretty good. Now we're going to preheat the Vortex. We're going to hit roast 380 degrees for 1 hour. Now while we're waiting for the Vortex to warm up, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. Yes, time to add the food. Now let's use our rotisserie fetch. Hook it right there on the fetch, and let's put it in the oven. Remember, it's going to be hot. Pull the little red lever back. There we go. So go ahead and close it. Turn the light on. Don't forget to hit rotate. Now my bird may look a little big in there. That's because it's 4.75 pounds. They recommend that you only go up to 4 pounds. But hey, that's all I could find. Alright, it's been 60 minutes and the timer's gone off. Now usually a bird at this size goes for an hour to an hour and a half. So always start with an hour, check the temperature, and if it needs more time, give it more time. Now check this out. Doesn't that look delicious? Sure smells good. And a lot of people are asking, now has this been cooking for an hour? Is this super hot? No, it's not super hot. It's warm, but not super hot. Now the glass in the front is super hot. Don't touch it. Well, the thermometer is reading anywhere from 175 to 180, depending on where I put the chicken. So I'm going to declare after 60 minutes, this bird's done. So let's grab your rotisserie fetch. Let's pull out that bird. Right. Push the red lever over to unlock it. Look at that. So I let it rest for about 5 minutes. Let's start taking off that twine. Now let's take out the rotisserie spit. Unscrew it. That's it. All right, now the most important part. How does it taste? Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so good. It's super tender, super juicy. You can taste all the spices in there. No more Costco or Walmart or Sam's Club rotisserie for me. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat.